Hello everyone, it is March 25th today and it's the evening here. I'm in Europe, so I want to hop right into these trades here and explain to everyone exactly how I traded and what I did to how I finished today. So first I did pretty well. I was about $1,200 up and it was a tricky day, honestly. I mean, these kind of days are not easy. The market has really been bouncing back, reversing from where it was at last week, and I think it should continue, honestly, for the rest of the week. So I traded 4 stocks. I did IMAC, TTOG, NCLH, and ASTC. Okay, so first trade was IMAC, IMAC, and we can see looking here, this was the day. Started off pretty slow, honestly. We see reds here. I didn't hop in until around 9:50. And I probably, let's see here. Okay, I was in right here, about 2.69, and we had the red and it went down a bit, and I still held. I actually added on this candle more shares, and then it surged up big time. We went to all the way up this way. So there's a pause right here. They halted, and then it opened up at like 3.5. I sold at this point, or I was at around 3.45. My order was already set here. So that was IMAC, a very solid trade. Next trade was Norwegian cruise lines. The cruise lines have been doing really well the past couple days. They've had a lot of interest from institutional investors because of the big stimulus package from the U.S. So this is the cruise line. Yesterday, Norwegian was up like about 35%. So pretty impressive, honestly, for such a large stock of this type of company. You won't see that type of movement very often. And so right here we have March 25th. This is open. Immediately we had green candles right here. I actually hopped in on, I got in around on this candle. As we can see, it kind of dipped, and then I added here around 16.60, and then it moved up quite a bit, and I ended up holding until around 17.5, and then I sold. I wasn't sure. As we can see, it kind of went down again. There's a depression, and then it went back up. I actually then bought it in again around 10:20. This is Eastern time on this second candle. It was around 15, and I held until this one around 15.60, and then I sold again. That was a good scalp. Nothing too major, but it was, can't complain. So then the next one was TTOG therapeutic. This is a micro cap, and unfortunately it is not showing. So I'm going to have to go back if it uploads. I don't know if it's going to load. Okay, so this is ASTC right here, very solid stock. This has been crazy, the movement the whole day. Astro Tech Corporation. Okay, so this is open, pretty flat, honestly, here. And then I ended up buying in. This was, as we look down here, we can see the volume candles here. I hopped in on this candle right here. I was in around 4, or maybe it was this one. Yeah, I was in about 3.83, and then it surged here, right here. I ended up actually holding, and then when it unhalted, it was at 15.2 or more or so when I ended up selling. I wasn't sure if it would drop again. As we can see this line here, though, we're way above the support line. And then I bought in again around on this candle, 15.45, and then I held up until about 6.8. I wasn't sure, honestly, that was a pretty decent move, and then it gapped up again. There was a haul, and it got to almost about 7.2. Incredible, honestly. And then I scalped this stock multiple times. I won't show you. I'll just show you the major ones to keep this concise. Okay, here we go. So this was another noteworthy move. Right here, I hopped in on this candle right here around 6.8, and it gapped up to around 7.25. I then sold there. Decent scalp, nothing too crazy. So far for this stock, the high of the day has been I think it was over here around like this candle, 7.5, I think, or 7.56. So we can see down below here a lot of volume morning and early afternoon. This is Eastern time. So it'll be interesting. The market is still running. If this one will indeed bounce back, tough to say. I mean, this would have been a good bottom move right here. I had thought about going in here because, as we can see, it's up around 4.70, but it's not. There's just not the amount of volume here coming in, so this one isn't exactly. It's not moving fast, so it may rebound, but we'll see. So those were the 4 stocks traded, and give me your feedback below. Thank you.